A typical day for Jimmy Van Ash, walking to his mailbox, hoping to find his nerdy magazine. But then, an unexpected surprise. A trip to a tropical rainforest.
After being told about their trip to the tropical rainforest, Zach is packing his clothes.
Zach and Jimmy leaving for the tropical rainforest. Boy, do they look gay. Zach has found himself a big, black, hairy ape. Look at him.
The ape is eating, looking for bananas, when a harpy eagle is spotted in the tree.
The ape.
Zach and Jimmy arriving home from the tropical rainforest.
Oh my God! Zach and Jimmy, what's up? Dude, you missed an awesome trip of life to go to the tropical rainforest.
Did I really?
Dude, you did. This huge monkey in a tree, like acting like retarded. And then a huge bird. Eagle? Harpy eagle. It's a harpy eagle. And it attacked it.
What color was it?
It was like blue and white or something like that, and it had a really red face. But it like annihilated a huge ape, I swear. And then, dude, the weather was like so much more Michigan. Like, you could wear shorts, it was hot, you know, it was amazing.
I bet it was raining. A little
bit. It wasn't bad. You know, but it was, I mean,
rainforest.
But it was free. That was the best part. And the food was freaking crazy.
I know, there's a lot of food.
Like, don't let it back. Go.
And then you just punched me. Because you punched me. Now, that's right. Ow, my nipple!
He's just dive at his feet, just whip it around and trip.
Did you just take off his belt?
Yeah, they both have belts.
He's like working on his car. Hello?
You idiot!